The Bay East Association of Realtors is actively involved in government because government is involved in our profession. But what does it mean to be involved, and what exactly does Bay East support or oppose when it comes to government policies that impact your transaction and your clients? The best people to answer that are the members of the Bay East Local Government Relations Committee.
We believe homeownership is the most safe and stable form of shelter and support policies and programs that are a path to homeownership.
We believe that every individual should have the opportunity to live in safe and inhabitable housing.
We support policies that ensure quality public education throughout the region.
We support environmental protection and preservation policies that encourage voluntary home improvement, conservation, and recycling.
We believe fair housing and equal opportunity shall be provided to everyone.
We support planning and zoning policies that accommodate the development of adequate and affordable housing for individuals at all income levels.
We support reliable public safety services and natural disaster relief that reflect the unique needs of each community within the Bay East service area.
We support policies which enable smaller rental property owners and managers to sustainably function as housing providers.
We believe homeowners and home buyers should be able to conduct real estate transactions as efficiently as possible without intrusive regulations or transaction-related taxes.
We support a robust transportation infrastructure that provides safe and efficient options for Bay Area residents to access housing, employment, education, services, entertainment, and recreation throughout the region.
This is what we believe. To learn more about how we advocate for you and your clients, please contact David Stark at davids@bayeast.org. That's davids@bayeast.org.